Hello guys, pardon me because my mouth is so watering now. I'm trying to swallow the one in my mouth, so it's so tempting. So guys, pardon me, Jari. Welcome to Rozzy Kitchen. This is Rozzy Kitchen, and I'm making this. I make this this delicious meat. This plantain gizzard, that is Gizdodo. So if you like what you're seeing, which I know you love it, guys, oh god, I just dare you to go and try this recipe. Just relax and follow me and watch me while I'm making this food, guys. You will enjoy this video, I bet you. So guys, let's start doing it. The things I'm going to be using to make this Gizdodo: so you need ripe plantain, gizzard, tomatoes, onions, fresh pepper, and bell pepper. I'm going to blend this, of course. And you need groundnut oil, salt. I'm going to use this to boil out the gizzard. So I'm having rosemary leaf, cinnamon, nutmeg, and curry powder, seasoning powder, and this green leaf, and this green pepper and yellow pepper. So I'm going to sprinkle those one on top. That's just the fancy of it. You can skip it, or if you don't like so much pepper. So yeah, these are all the things I'm going to be using. So guys, let's get started. Just peel off the skin. Okay, so you're going to slice them into cubes. Slice all the plantain, so I'm going to be slicing gizzard now. So I've sliced up the gizzard, so I've washed it. Make sure you wash all your gizzard. Sometimes you see some great stuff inside. So I'm just going to boil it out now. You see what I'm talking about? See, you can see some inside, so you have to wash it thoroughly. Yeah. Sometimes you just package it. The package no sense for somebody. See, so you make sure you check it very well. So guys, as I was saying, you make sure you clean it very well and check it. Don't just say because they package it and you're not going to check it thoroughly. So you have to do so. So make sure it's well clean. So let's go back to business. So you're going to use all your seasonings seasoning powder. So I'm going to turn all this together. Onions, seasoning powder, and salt. So I don't like use raw salt. I know you don't too, so you don't want salt to spoil your food. So guys, you're not going to add water, you're just going to allow it to boil with its own juice. Make sure it's wet, please. So allow it to boil out perfectly. So you don't need to add water, like I said. So you're just going to wait like 8 minutes or 10 minutes. It will be wet cooked. So guys, you don't want your tomato to be smooth. So you just need it to not be too smooth. So just like just like that. That's how you want your tomatoes to look like. Your sauce. Okay, guys. You see, guys, that's why I told you you don't need to add water. Look at a lot of water that come out. You see, it has a lot of juice coming out. So I'm just going to allow it to boil out for like in low heat. You're going to lower your stove like about 3 minutes, then I'll just take it off. Before then, I'm going to be frying the plantain right now. So just wait until the oil is hot, well hot, before you can start frying the plantain. So plantain is already set. You just have to wait, allow the oil to be too hot. So we are going to set the gizzard aside. So make sure the water is well drained. See, my camera lady is stretching out. Really tastes nice. So while this is aside, so I'm going to start steaming the tomatoes. Because I will have to allow the tomatoes to boil as well. I'm going to season it. I'm going to leave it for a low heat. Yeah, let it be there before I fry all these things. Let's see if our oil is hot. Okay, it's well hot now. You have to shift back. Yeah, plantain is wet. It's fried now, so brown, good and brown. So you just have to set it aside. You will need total discipline when you are cooking delicious meal. If you don't want to finish it, you just have to have some discipline. If not, then I'm just trying to warm myself since dinner so tempted. mouth-watering, delicious meal. Oh my God, guys! I encourage you to try it out. You love it. It's very simple to cook. You have to give. Let me back to this. No, we have not finished frying. I'm so excited. I don't know about you guys. You have to set it aside. So let me just fry this one. I'm going to be frying this out of off camera, so guys. Yeah, this is tomato sauce. So I'm just still adding the same thing to steam it. Seasoning powder. Allow it to be dried or to be wet dried, so before I can add a little oil on it, fry it out. Don't cover it too much. So I'm just going to add granite oil. Granite oil I used to fry the plantain and the gizzard. So these are already bleached out, so yeah. I'm just going to use the same thing, so it's not going to be too much. I don't want to add a new granite oil to it, so it's a choice if you like. But I just want to. Sometimes you can just mix it like that. Depends on how you like it. But I just want to fry it oil a little bit. So it's well dry with water, so allow it to cook. So we are going to be mixing them together right now. Oh boy, careful girl. Add it in plantain. Wow, so tempting, so guys. can go with anything. This I'm going to use it to eat white rice and stew. Oh my goodness. You can use it to eat anything you want to use it. You can eat it like that if you want. You can use it to eat rice, fried rice, jollof rice. Oh God, if you use it to eat jollof rice, my God bless. You go there see. In fact, you will bless you there because I never know how that will be. In fact. Wow. It's ready, guys. That's how you're going to make this delicious meal. So guys, let's start eating it. We have already started cooking it before, so now it's for eating. Yes, we just add the green pepper and the yellow pepper to it. It does not really matter, I just want to put it out. Hello guys, and if you are new to my channel, this is Rozzy kitchen. So I just make this delicious meat Gizdodo. I know you guys have already seen why I'm making it, so I'm just going to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video helps you, and I hope you enjoy watching the video. And I want to tell you, if you have any question or you want to write a comment, please just write a comment down below.